right, I'm here with Archie, one of the best trainers in town. We're again at Vendetta now?
We're at Vendetta, yep, with MMA and BJJ.
So anyone out there needs the best personal trainer in town, get a hold of us and I'll give you his contact information, but he's a guy. So today he's here, we're just going to help him with maintaining his back. He gets a little bit of low back and neck pain once in a while, nothing too bad today, just kind of a maintenance adjustment, so we're going to treat him. Keep that leg straight, raise it as high as you can. Good, and down, the other one. So what I'm doing there, I'm just checking his pelvis to see if it's misaligned at all. When your pelvis misaligns, it can make your lumbar or your low back bones dysfunction and cause pain. So we're just going to realign it using the drop table here. I use quite a few instruments, and really it's just to make my job easier and to make it a little easier on the patient. What we're trying to do is just break up some scar tissue, make the joint mobile, and increase its function so it feels better. Okay, you can uncross your legs. Next, we're going to just use this industrial size massager to loosen the muscles up in his back, makes the manipulation go easier. Going to palpate through on his spine, check for areas that aren't moving the way they're supposed to be. Take a deep breath for me. Let it all out. On your side, please. Good. So we're going to manipulate Archie's neck right now. Half of my patients love it, the other half hate it. If hearing cracking in your neck bothers you, just let us know. There's a bunch of other ways we can get that joint to work properly without actually hearing it crack. Sit on the edge there. This next adjustment is to manipulate his mid-back. As you can see, Archie is a little bit of muscle here, so it's hard to adjust, so we're going to do it this way for him. Chin down. Good. And that's it. Once again, you need a trainer, he's the guy to call. Get a hold of me, I'll get you to him, and have a great day.